Photographers have captured some spectacular images of a supermoon, as it illuminated global skies last night. Eager photographers snapped stunning photos of the lunar phenomenon from around the world, including New York, Edinburgh, Liverpool, Istanbul, Dubai, Kansas City, Frankfurt and more. A supermoon occurs when a full moon nearly coincides with perigee, the point in the orbit of the Moon at which it is nearest to the Earth. This means a supermoon can appear as much as 14% larger and 30% brighter than a normal full moon, depending on the time of year. Nicknames that are used to describe the Moon were historically used to track the seasons and therefore are closely related to nature. Sturgeon is the common name for August's full moon because historically the large fish was easily caught at this time of year. Not every August full moon is a supermoon, however. There are usually 3 or 4 supermoons annually or sometimes even fewer, and when exactly they occur differs from year to year. This supermoon is the last for the year, but there is still a meteor shower for the public to enjoy this weekend. It's well known that a full moon occurs roughly every 29.5 days. But a supermoon is a much rarer event. In 2022, there have been 4 supermoons according to the Old Farmer's Almanac, on May 16, June 14 and July 13 and August 11. In 2023 there will be only 2 supermoons, August 1 and August 31. Although a supermoon is a full moon, it appears bigger and brighter in the sky than a normal full moon. Last night, the Moon came within 224,591 miles of Earth, close enough to officially be termed a supermoon. Supermoons occur because the Moon orbits the Earth on an elliptical path, rather than a circular one. This means there is a point in its 29.5-day orbit where it is closest to the Earth and, at certain times of the year, it passes this point during a full moon. A supermoon occurs when the full moon nearly coincides with perigee, the point in the orbit of the Moon at which it is nearest to the Earth. This means it appears up to 14% larger and 30% brighter than normal, when viewed from Earth. Full moon names, which are used to describe the supermoons, were historically used to track the seasons and therefore are closely related to nature. August's sturgeon moon gets its name because the giant sturgeon of the Great Lakes and Lake Champlain were most readily caught during this part of summer, says the Old Farmer's Almanac. Other names include the snow moon in February to coincide with heavy snow and the worm moon in March at a time when the sun increasingly warmed the soil and earthworms became active. January. Wolf moon because wolves were heard more often at this time. February. Snow moon to coincide with heavy snow. March. Worm moon as the sun increasingly warmed the soil and earthworms became active. April. Pink moon as it heralded the appearance of Phlox subulata or moss pink, one of spring's first flowers. May. Flower moon because of the abundance of blossoms. June. Strawberry moon because it appeared when the strawberry harvest first took place.